0000018 Hook, the glucose roller coaster. Why do 89% of people fail at fasting for glucose control? The 2025 data is in. A study tracked 18,000 fasters and found uncontrolled glucose spikes ruined 76% of their results. Today, I'm sharing 3 science-backed hacks straight from Nobel-winning metabolic scientists to help you conquer this roller coaster. Comment steady if you've ever felt shaky between meals. First up, circadian carb cycling. According to a 2025 MIT trial, morning carb loads reduced glucose variability by 41% compared to evening carbs. For shift workers like nurses, using moonlight carb timing helped lower their HbA1c by 0.8% in just 3 months. A diabetes coach shared, "My clients fast for 14 hours and then eat carbs before noon. Their glucose curves flatlined." Hack number 2, fasting exercise synergy. Data from Karolinska in 2025 showed that just 15 minutes of post-fasting yoga increased GLUT4 transporters by 37%. For a bigger impact, try HIIT fasted sprints, boost glucose uptake. Pro tip, add 1 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon before your fast. Its polyphenols can block a-glucosidase enzymes by 29%. Finally, let's talk about nutrient lock technology. A 2025 discovery from Stanford revealed that vinegar-fat shields before meals reduce glucose spikes by 68%. Try this sequence: olive oil, veggies, protein, then carbs. Your CGM graphs will look amazing. Dr. Naomi Chen, a metabolic biochemist, says, "Glucose control isn't about restriction, it's about strategic navigation." Ready to level up your glucose control? Smash that subscribe button. Guardian, Johns Hopkins Fasting Protocol, MIT Meal Blueprint. Your blood sugar deserves this. Turn fasting into your glucose stabilizing super.